The new 2022 Vogue 300 Rally. Authentic trail adventure ready to satisfy the most demanding users who require a lightweight model with almost enduro features. And a very affordable price. Engine, single-cylinder 4-stroke, DOHC 78 by 61.2 mm, compression ratio 11:1. Double overhead camshaft DOHC, and 4 valves. Maximum power 21 kilowatts, 28.6 HP, at 9,000 revolutions per minute. Maximum torque 25 Newton meters at 6,500 revolutions per minute. Maximum speed 125 kilometers per hour. Fuel tank 11 liters. Euro 5. Transmission, primary with gears. Final with chain, multi-plate clutch in oil bath with mechanical control, 6-speed gearbox. Frame, double steel beam. Suspensions. Front non-adjustable 37 mm upside down fork and 205 mm travel. Host with steel swingarm and adjustable shock absorber in adjustable preload, excursion of 80 mm. Brakes. Front disc 265 mm double disc, 220 mm single disc at rear. Dual channel ABS. Wheels. Front spoke 21-inch and rear 18-inch. Dimensions in mm, LXWXH 2.107 mm by 877 mm x 1.405 mm, wheelbase 1.430, seat height 905 mm, dry weight 150 kg.